How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Elvis Junction Reviews. Today we are looking at an Athearn ready to roll product. We are looking at a Union tank car, white and blue, clay slurry tank car, numbered for 301468. As you can see, here it is in our lovely Athearn ready to roll box. We're just going to pop it out of its box here. Slide it in. This is HO scale. Somebody did ask, it's like, what was this? What's that Conrail GP38 running under? It's all HO scale. Everything I own is HO scale. Here is our diagram, our exploded diagram of the slurry car here. Not that big of a car, so don't need a massive exploded diagram. Here we are. Here it is in its box. Just pull off that top layer, and then it appears to be stuck. So I'm gonna try to get this out, but I'm not gonna. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get this out, and we'll get into some history about this car here in a minute. See you then. So the clay slurry tank car that we are seeing here was built in the 1990s by UTLX's manufacturing company, and it's designed to carry clay slurry. Now, slurry is basically, if you ever take a look at muddy water, take that and make it a little more sludgy, and that's basically what slurry is. Now basically, but here on this card it says calcium carbonate or clay slurry. Now calcium carbonate is that white stuff that you see on baseball fields. Oh, they also use chalk, but calcium carbonate was one of the, and it's white, which is why they used it on baseball diamonds. But anyway, let's get into some detail of this car, starting with the front/rear. Okie dokie, we are looking at the front or the rear of the car, depending on what you fancy. Starting at the top here, you can see our markers, our number markings here, UTLX 301468. We have the carrying capacity, as well as some more detail right here that you can pause the video to read if you would like. Right here, we have a handrail that spans the width of the car here. It walks, and it starts here down at the walkway here. That also spans the width of the car here. We have our brake wheel with the brake chain, and we have a plaque for one of those like safety or hazard plaques. This car does not have it because this is clay slurry. Now, I'm not sure exactly if clay slurry is a hazardous material. I'm sure somebody could tell me. But anyway, we have some grab irons here. We have one here, here. There's one here, and there should be one right there. Yes, there is. And here is the sides of the step ladders here. We also have our air tank reservoir right behind the handrail here. And we have our unique coupler, which is also the same thing on other tank cars. This is, I guess, a firmer knuckle so that it doesn't shear as often as like a regular knuckle. And it's pretty much the same thing on the other side, minus that brake wheel. So let's get into some details on the side. Alrighty, so now looking at the side of the car here. Starting on the left side here, you can see we have Union Tank Car Co., as well as the reporting marks, UTLX 301468. We have some load limit and load weight numbers here in pounds and in kilograms. We have some more illegible writing right here. Here is the walkway above on the top of the car, here's the hatch, and there's another hatch here, which I don't know what that's for. Then we have a ladder that starts at the top and works its way down to the bottom of the car here. We have some lovely brake and air hose detail here on the bottom of the car, as well as the, I believe that is the emptying, that's the, if you were to drop this car and you can unload it from this area right here. There's some more illegible writing here, as well as on the blue part of the car here. We have another placard, safety placard. Up here you can see it says calcium carbonate or clay slurry only. There is a board here with some more illegible details that unfortunately you cannot read. On the top here as well, we also have the reporting marks as well. So let's get into my final thoughts about this car. So this car looks great. Athearn actually, in fact, recommends that you either run this as a single or in like a bunch, like 3 or 4 or 5. Because that is how you usually see them on a regular manifest. But anyway, this car looks great. It also has great weight to it. I only had one issue with it, and that was on this this rail here. As you can see, that's actually just my hand. I had problems with this rail here, and if I just lift it up, there you go. See, there is the issue. It is popped out of its socket. In fact, I actually had to glue it right there, which is why the plastic sheet was sticking to the car. But that was the only issue I had with that. But anyway, thank you very much for watching the video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and also subscribe if you have not. And hit that notification bell to know when I upload on Mondays and Fridays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. But anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.